wish that you could just grab up your guitar and noodle the blues? No need for backing tracks or a band or anything like that. You can just sit down and make a complete piece of music all on your own. Most lessons that you find that teach you the blues either focus on the lead guitar or the rhythm guitar, but either one of those things on their own can leave you feeling a little empty when you're playing on your own. Maybe you're one of my many students who doesn't want to have to sing. Rhythm guitar without a melody can sound pretty boring to the listener and to the person playing it. Or maybe you're one of those people who's just always wanted to learn how to combine the lead and rhythm elements of the blues into one complete package. These are some of the reasons why I started writing solo blues guitar arrangements a long time ago. They started off being for myself, but my students loved them too, and I've got a feeling you might as well. In this course, you'll get access to a series of blues arrangements that I've done, each one focusing on a particular concept and idea that you first learn in a set arrangement, so you've got a new party piece to pull out next time you're playing for your friends. But as well, we learn how to improvise within the framework. So I break it down and teach you how to use the tools so you can improvise the blues your own way. As you go through this course, you'll learn complete blues arrangements that sound great on their own, no need for a singer or backing tracks. You're going to noodle for hours. As you learn and explore the concepts, you'll find yourself more and more just sitting down with a guitar and making music rather than having to rely on set exercises that you've learned. You're going to build an awesome repertoire of blues party pieces that you can pull out for friends and family, or maybe even at a gig. The kind of pieces that get people saying, "Man, you can really play." And remember, with every arrangement, you get a dedicated lesson on improvising within the framework. Learn how to pull it apart and make the arrangements your own, or learn just how to noodle in that style. It's super cool fun. So to recap, in this course you get access to a series of solo blues guitar arrangements with in-depth detailed lessons for every single one. You also get access to the Match My Sound technology, which is going to help you perfect the pieces. It'll give you feedback and show you what areas you need to work on. So if you want to be able to just grab your guitar, noodle the blues, sound like the whole band, no backing tracks, no singing, none of that sort of stuff, then this course is for you. Click the link below to get started with the solo blues with Match My Sound, and let's start this awesome journey together today. See you soon.